To fix ceiling lights that aren't working, but haven't tripped, you'll need to investigate a few potential causes. Loose or burnt bulbs, as well as loose wiring in the switches, are common issues. Start by checking if the bulb is securely screwed in. Ensure the switch is in the off position. Then try turning the bulb clockwise and anti-clockwise to tighten it. Switch it back on and check if the light works. If it doesn't, you'll need to replace the burnt bulb. Make sure the switch is off. Let the bulb cool down to avoid burns. And use a chair or ladder to reach it. Unscrew the old bulb. Gently insert the new one. And turn it clockwise until it's tightly secured. Switch it on again to see if the problem is resolved. If the issue persists, the problem may lie with the switch's wiring. To investigate this, turn off the power at the breaker. Remove the switch's wall plate to expose the wires. And tighten the screws holding them in place. Reinstall the wall plate. Restore the power. And check if the light is working. If it still doesn't work, it may be necessary to replace the switch. By following these steps, you should be able to identify and fix the issue with your ceiling lights.